Hello friends, this is Prashant Kaushal and today we will continue with the next topic of business studies. Okay, in the previous video we have seen the classification of business activities. Okay, in the classification we have seen that business activity is divided into two parts, that is industry and commerce. We have seen the different kinds of industries and the subcategories of the industries. Even we have seen the commerce and the subcategories of the commerce. But today in this video we will learn in depth. Okay, we will learn the in-depth knowledge of commerce. Okay, so let us understand what is commerce. Commerce is the all activities which are related with the distribution of product right from the producer to the consumers. Okay, all the activities which are done after the production to made it reach to the consumer तक प्रोडक्ट पहुंचाने तक की सारी एक्टिविटी. ओके, बनाने के बाद कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचाने की सारी एक्टिविटीज कॉमर्स के अंडर में आएंगी. ओके, कॉमर्स आर encompasses all those activities which are related to the distribution of product right from the producer to the consumer. So for example, transportation, warehousing, communication, banking, insurance, these all activities are the part of commerce. Okay, now we will see the very important topic, that is functions of commerce, and even we can call it role of commerce. Okay, so there are some important functions of commerce which we should know practically to understand how a business works. Okay, so the first function of commerce is it helps in removing the hindrance of persons. It helps in removing the hindrance of persons. There are different kinds of persons in the economy. We can divide them into two groups. All the persons in the economy can be divided into two groups, that is producer and consumer. Okay, producer and consumer. Okay, there are two kinds of people living, we can say producer and consumer. Now we need somebody to make the link between two. Okay, so that was a gap. Okay, the gap between the person. Okay, hindrance means what? Hindrance is a barrier. Okay, so commerce helps in removing that barrier. Okay, so how commerce, which part of commerce? So the traders part of commerce removes the hindrance of those persons. Okay, there were two groups. What were those? Producers and consumers. Now to meet all the producers, traders helps. Okay, to meet all the producers to the consumer, traders directly helping. Let us understand, the producer have made the goods. The goods are made in Noida. Now the consumers are across the country. Okay, so those traders which are selling the goods from the different shops of India are removing the gap, because that producer sitting there in Noida cannot sell the goods across the country. Okay, so traders are removing that barrier. So trader is what? Trader is a part of commerce. Okay, so the first role is what? It removes the hindrance of persons. And which part is removing? Trader part. Okay, trader is the part of commerce. So you should remember, it can be asked. What can be asked? Which part of commerce is able to remove the hindrance of persons? So answer will be traders. Now the second function of commerce helps in removing the hindrance of place. Okay, एक गुड बनती कहीं है और बिकती कहीं है ना. प्लेसेस आर डिफरेंट है ना. वही गुड जो नोएडा में बनी थी वो इंदौर या भोपाल में बिक रही. ओके, देयर इज अ वेरी गैप between those places, that is called place gap. Okay, एक गुड अमेरिका में बनी इंडिया में बिक रही. अब ये इंडिया में कैसे आए? ओके, definitely there will be some answers to it, and that answer is what? Transportation is the main activity which removes the gap of place. है ना. प्रोड्यूसर्स को कोई टेंशन नहीं, गुड्स बना के उनको पता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन is there which can take the goods anywhere across the globe. Okay, so by using transportation activity of commerce, the hindrance of place can be removed. Now producers are free, they can manufacture anywhere because they knew that the goods can be transported and can be sold out. Okay, so the hindrance of place is removed by commerce. Okay, the place gap is removed by transportation. This is the second rule of commerce. The third rule is helps in removing the hindrance of time. You can see so many goods are manufactured in season only. If we go in agriculture sector, wheat, pulses, okay, and so many other crops are also grown in season only. Okay, wheat cannot be grown for 12 months. Okay, pulses cannot be grown for 12 months. These are the seasonal products. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take them for a longer period of time. We have to store them. Okay, so that time gap, there is a time gap. The goods which are manufactured in season but are consumed across the whole year, they are consumed for the whole year. Okay, so for that consumption we need some storage facility, that is called warehousing. So the time gap, this is called time gap. Okay, the wheat was manufactured in certain period but it has been consumed for the whole year. So how it will be consumed? We need to warehouse it. Warehouse means what? We are storing those goods for the whole year. And even you can see so many goods which are manufactured for the whole year, which can be manufactured for the whole year but are used in season only. There are so many goods. We can say raincoats, coolers, okay, sweaters. So many examples are there. These can be manufactured for the whole year in the production houses and are being stored and are being sold out only in season. Okay, so we can see both the things, seasonal and non-seasonal, all the goods are required to be stored somewhere, and that is called warehousing. And that warehousing is remove the gap of time, that is called time gap, है ना. अब समय का कोई टेंशन नहीं है, हमने बनाया और उसको प्रिजर्व कर दिया. ठीक है, प्रिजर्वेशन भी अलग अलग टाइप के हो सकते हैं. कोल्ड स्टोरेज, ओके, फॉर पेरिशेबल गुड्स, ऐसे गुड्स जो खराब होने वाली तो हम वो उसको कहाँ स्टोर करेंगे? कोल्ड स्टोरेज में. ओके, सो देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वेयर हाउसेज अवेलेबल विच रिमूव्स द टाइम गैप. ओके, दैट वाज द थर्ड रूल. ओके, टाइम, हिंड्रेंस ऑफ टाइम इज removed by warehousing. The fourth rule of the commerce helps in removing the hindrance of exchange. Let us understand what is exchange. Exchange means the goods and services which are produced by the producers, okay, shall be sold out to the consumer. Now this process of exchange from producer to the consumer needs some money. Okay, this exchange process needs some money, and that money is coming into the economy by banks. Okay, that money is coming into the economy by banks. For producing the goods we need some loan, we need some credit. Bank is there, and it may be possible for a consumer who wants to purchase the things on credit, so he can get the credit from bank. So banking is the main institution here, or main service here, which is removing the hindrance of exchange. Okay, this exchange hindrance is removed by bank. Okay, we can take loan, we can deposit the amount. Okay, so money is there in the business which is taking care the part of exchange. Okay, even checks are issued by the businessman, by the consumers. Okay, these are the part of exchange. Even demand drafts are being used in terms of money. Okay, so these are all part of exchange, and this exchange hindrance is removed directly by the banking. Okay, so this was the fourth one. What was the fourth one? Commerce helps in removing the hindrance of exchange. And which part of commerce will remove this? Banking part. Okay, now the next rule, the fifth rule of commerce is helps in removing hindrance of risk. रिस्क तो हर जगह. ओके, बहुत सारे रिस्क को हम रिमूव करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं, और एक बिजनेसमैन वही करता है. ठीक है, बिजनेसमैन भी क्या करेगा, रिस्क को कम करने की कोशिश करेगा. एंड what he will do, he will take the insurance. Okay, there are so many risks which can be sorted out. Okay, ऐसे रिस्क जिसको हम कम कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि चोरी होना, थेफ्ट, डैमेज, है ना. गुड्स आर इन ट्रांजिट, इंडिया से गुड्स अमेरिका गया, देयर मे बी सम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन रिस्क. ओके, सो डैमेज हो सकता है, सो दैट कैन बी इंश्योर्ड. ओके, फ्लड आ गई, बाढ़ आ गई, दैट कैन बी इंश्योर्ड. So there are so many risks which are there directly for the businessman, which he can reduce by taking the insurance. Now, who will give the insurance? Insurance companies. There are so many insurance companies. For example, Life Insurance Corporation, ICICI. So many banks are giving the insurance. Okay, so safeguarding the different activities of business and products of the business, a businessman can take insurance. Okay, so safeguarding the product is main aim of the businessman. That's why he is taking the insurance. So this is what we call it. The hindrance of risk is removed by insurance service. Hindrance of risk is removed by insurance service, or insurance part of commerce. Okay, the last role of commerce is helps in removing the hindrance of knowledge. Okay, there are n number of producers are producing the goods across the globe. कितने सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं, है ना. एक ही टाइप का प्रोडक्ट, है ना. मोबाइल काम वही है, बट सो मेनी कंपनीज आर इन्वॉल्व. और आप देखेंगे मोबाइल में भी एवरी डे, एवरी मंथ, एवरी वीक सम न्यू मॉडल्स आर कमिंग. सो हाउ विल कम टू नो एज अ कंज्यूमर? मुझे कैसे पता पड़ेगा कि कोई से प्रोड्यूसर ने कुछ नया बनाया? दे विल एडवर्टाइजमेंट से पता पड़ता ना हमें. दे विल गिव एड इन द न्यूज़पेपर, और दे विल गिव एड इन द टीवी और समवेयर एल्स. कहीं ना कहीं हमें उनका एड मिल जाता है, ऑनलाइन मिल जाएगा हमें एड, है ना. इवन सम ऑफ द एड्स आर कमिंग इन इनबॉक्स ऑल्सो. सो हमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती, नहीं तो हमें पता ही नहीं पड़े कि कोई नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हुआ है. ओके, सो दिस गैप ऑफ नॉलेज इज रिमूव्ड बाय एडवर्टाइजमेंट सर्विस ऑफ कॉमर्स. एडवर्टाइजमेंट करने से क्या होता है, कंज्यूमर और प्रोड्यूसर की गैप कम हो गई, नॉलेज की गैप कम होगी कि अच्छा ये प्रोड्यूसर ये गुड बनाता है ना. टाटा सुमो किसका प्रोडक्ट है? टाटा का है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट आया. ओके, देयर आर सो मेनी गुड्स विच वी नो ओनली बाय एड. नहीं तो हमें पता ही नहीं पड़ता कि ये गुड ये कंपनी बना रही है. सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स ना वी आर सीइंग इन द मार्केट, है ना. अमेरिका की बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं, हमें इंडिया में पता है कि हाँ यार दीज आर द अमेरिकन कंपनीज, और वो अपने नए प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च कर रही है. यू कैन सी ब्रिजस्टोन, नाम से बोलूंगा तो आप बोलोगे हाँ सर टायर है. ओके, दीज आर द टायर. तो कैसे पता, है ना. अब अभी आपने कोई टायर तो खरीदा नहीं, यू हैव नॉट परचेज एनी कार, बट स्टिल यू नो बिकॉज ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. सो एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज रिमूविंग दिस गैप ऑफ नॉलेज. हमारा नॉलेज बढ़ते जा रहा है, और वो किसके द्वारा? एडवर्टाइजमेंट सर्विस ऑफ कॉमर्स. सो दीज आर द 6 मेन role or functions of commerce which are very important from the practical point of view. Okay, so this is enough for this video. Okay, I'll continue the next topic in the next videos. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye, see you, thank you.